flood warning for southwestern Coos County in northern New Hampshire, north central Grafton County in northern New Hampshire until 10:45 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Littleton, Bethlehem, Franconia, Carroll, Lisbon, Bath, Dalton, Sugar Hill, Whitefield, and Llandaff. This includes the following highways: Interstate 93 between mile markers 116 and 129. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WMG575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Packmonadnock in Peterborough, New Hampshire. The 7 p.m. weather observations across New England. Portland, mostly sunny 77.